How to create Yahoo account. Open browser from taskbar or from start menu, Programs. In search bar type Yahoo and press enter. Click on Yahoo from search results. Choose Create an account from the bottom right side. Here you need to enter your first name and surname. After that, choose your email ID. Now your password does need to contain 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Make sure to remember email ID and password. Here you need to enter your mobile number. Date of birth. I'm gonna put some information here. This you need to enter your birth details and click on continue. Here you need to verify your phone number. Click on text me a verification code to receive code. Enter the verification code that you received and click on verify. We're just gonna wait for this to load up and should be ready with Yahoo account. And that's it, you can get ready with your Yahoo account right now. Let me just give a quick tour. Inbox for all your incoming mails. Here is a welcome email from Yahoo team. Right here compose to make an email, so just click right there to send out an email to anybody. If you like to look up your settings and stuff like that's gonna be on top right corner. If you click here you can also look at your account itself. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.